Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging so your device accepts commands. Connect via ADB or Wi-Fi and install platform tools on your computer. This lets you list, pull, and push APKs. Once connected, make a full backup of the app APK and its data to avoid irreversible loss. You do this now because having a restore point prevents losing accounts or settings when you change package files or resources later. Once you have backups, decode the APK with APK tool to access resources and Smalley code. This reveals the manifest and layout files you will change. Edit the Android manifest. XML to change permissions or activities, swap assets or native libraries, and carefully alter Smalley only when needed. Make incremental changes and test frequently. After edits, rebuild the APK, then sign it with a debug or custom key so Android accepts installation. You now install the rebuilt APK using a db install R to replace the existing app without wiping data, or uninstall first if a signature conflict occurs. Test all core flows, login, background tasks, permissions, and edge cases while watching Logcat for crashes and class not found or resource errors. If something breaks, revert the smallest recent change or restore the original APK from backup. This targeted rollback saves time. One key troubleshooting tip: signature mismatches or missing resources are the most common failure points.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.